Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about the phone link feature that comes with Windows. So this can be used to connect your smartphone to your computer, and then you could do things such as answer calls, send and view text messages, and also look at your photos. So this used to be only available for Android smartphones when it first came out, but now it's available for iPhones as well. So to get to it, you want to go to the Windows settings, Bluetooth and devices, and then mobile devices. And then there's a phone link option here. Make sure it's turned on. And you can click on this little arrow here to expand it, and then click on Open Phone Link. All right, so you have a button here for Android and iPhone. So I have an Android phone connected. So you need Android 8 or later, which should be no problem because we're way past that. And same for iPhone iOS 15 or later. So click on Android. All right, we'll enter our PIN for security here. Okay, then you need to scan this code with your smartphone, which I will do now. Okay, enter the code shown on the screen here. Okay, so now on my phone, it's asking for a sign in, and it's trying to sign me in with a user account that is tied to Windows here. So you need to have that account on your phone. All right, now it's asking me if I want to allow Windows to take pictures and record videos. I'll say while using the app. Now it's asking if I want to send usage data to Microsoft. I'm going to deny that. Now it says device linking complete. Click on done on the phone. All right, click on continue. All right, so it says it's connected. So here's a little intro here of what it does. Send text messages, make a call, view photos. All right, so now I got this message here saying link to Windows is off on my device. So I have that on the screen on my phone. So I just need to turn it on. Click on try again. All right, you can see it's syncing the messages, and up here we have calls and then also photos. And then up here we have some settings. So for notification, for badges, you want to change the theme, have it start when you sign into Windows. I'm going to turn this off because it's just a test computer. And about, then devices. So here's the phone. So if you want to choose a different device, if you have one connected, then the features, notifications, messages, calls, photos, sync over mobile data. So normally you'd be using this on your Wi-Fi connection. So if you transfer files from your phone to your computer, here's the location that it will go to. And then you have options to turn on the audio player. All right, then I have the text messages here. So you can scroll through those and click on one of those. Then you can actually send a message from your phone. Then you can see your calls. So if you wanted to do this from your phone, you click on Get Started, set that up. And then you have some photos here as well. So you can see your photos right from your phone. And you could actually open them if you wanted to. Just like that. All right, so once again, go to your settings, Bluetooth and devices, mobile devices, make sure phone link is on, then click on Open Phone Link. Make sure your smartphone is on and on the network or wireless. And then, like I said, you'll have to go kind of back and forth, looking on your phone for the information that it gives you for the verification code and to make sure the other options are turned on. And then you should be good to go. And then if you want to disconnect it, you could come here and just simply turn this off, and then your phone will no longer be connected. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.